Justin and Sarah Steinbach own their own business in Duluth, Minnesota.
We wanted to start our own business. It had been something that we had dreamed of.
They do boat tours along the shores of Lake Superior.
We do 3 sightseeing tours a day, and then we jump into a pizza sightseeing in the evening and then a twilight cruise. On the weekends, we do elegant sunset dinner cruises, as well as twilight and some bar charter cruises. So we do a lot of business.
Tourism and outdoor recreation are an integral part of Duluth's economy.
Summer here, starting basically in May and June, everything gears up for the other industry, which is tourism.
But the Duluth Harbor and Lake Superior suffer from a legacy of serious problems, including toxic contamination, sewage overflows, and invasive species.
Decades ago, the whole harbor area was actually in much worse condition, and all this was actually falling into the river, and a lot of it wasn't really being cleaned up. But now they've actually taken a lot of initiatives to clean it up.
Since 2010, the federal government has invested over $1 billion through the Great Lakes Restoration Initiative to clean up toxic pollution, restore habitat, reduce harmful runoff, and fight invasive species. Restoration projects in Duluth and other communities are producing results, but there is still more work to do.
The restoration of the lake and the harbor is really of utmost importance. And I think it's really important that there are groups out there that are starting to focus on it and ask for the funding to really start to uncover some of these problems, and how do we make it so that we have sustainability back in the harbor, on the lake, for the wildlife, and that whole symbiotic relationship that happens. And if we don't focus on certain restoration aspects to keep it clean and to keep that business intact, people aren't going to want to come here. And that's such an important part of the experience of Duluth.